Okay, this is the old Las Vegas High School from way back when. Now I think it's the Las Vegas Arts Academy, maybe? Not really sure, don't have kids here, so hey, whatever, right? Okay. Let's see, how's this look? This one's a trip, you know. I ride north, it's in my face. I'm going south, it's in my face. Some bullshit. Sorry. All right. Oh, right, we'll go straight. That's right. Okay. Okay, so we're on 7th and Clark right now. And this street has, I'm only going to point one way. This street has several residences which were converted into law offices. A lot of them. You know, I think there's still some, you know, regular, normal residential housing here, but a whole lot of them have been converted to an office. And it is a nice street. It's quiet. Well, of course it is, right? It's very quiet, you know. Got some trees over here and everything. So I give them credit for that. Oh, what was that? Some chick was jogging, playing her heavy metal. Just stick and move. All right. See, another office. Another one right here. Campbell and Williams, attorneys at law. I like this place. You know, and then you get to some regular residential places. And what is that right there? I presume another law office. And somebody, it looks like they, wait, is that graffiti? No, MA law offices. Law offices of Mueller and Associates. Okay. All right, just want to show you guys that real quick. In the future, we'll do the bail bonds places, just to get a fuller picture of the what's happening, you know, as far as seeing things from the outside, what you can in fact see. Sounds good? Sounds good. This is quiet. Normally, I can't just zip out like this really quick, but these are not normal times. This guy passed by, oh, he's turning, I'm making a U-E, and then I'll make a right turn. Oh, I think we're on Charleston, maybe? You know, I still get the streets messed up here, the street names messed up, so bear with me. All right. Okay, we're gonna turn right on 8th. I think last year I did 7th, I think, and this year we're doing 8th Street. All right, what's it like? What was it like? What's it like? Okay, here we are in a nice, quiet residential area. This is the John S. Park Historic Neighborhood, and that's a hybrid. FMC. And there are some absolutely lovely homes over here. It's quiet. The lawns are, if they have lawns, seem to be pretty nicely maintained. The streets are clean. There's a little bit of litter here and there because some folks do not know how to throw their own trash away. We're going to turn left down. Is that street? What street is this? That's 8th. Turn left down here. Okay. Here's something funny. So, I shouldn't tell you guys this stuff. What the hell? So everyone's setting out their trash cans right now, which is cool. Yeah. But the funny part is that I had moved overseas for a little while, and before I left, the trash was just the trash men. They'd come up, grab the can, and then toss it in the back or whatever. Okay. And then I came back, and now they have these machines which, you know, pick up the cans, which really tripped me out. Okay. I said, oh, well, how about that? Because when I was in my Tokyo days, you would put your trash out on certain days. You have your recycle days, your glass and can days, and your newspaper and magazine days, and your wet garbage, you know, like eggshells and stuff. Okay. Most people would use their convenience store shopping bag, the plastic bag, wrap it up, throw it in your trash days in the area that morning or the night before, and the trash guys would come by. The truck would just drive slow. The guys would hop off the truck, hop into your area. The truck would stop, and they would throw the trash into the back of the machine. You know, the crush. This little pink house. Oh, hey, interesting. To the back of the machine, and you know, compact the trash. So, but I felt bad for the guys on those scalding hot days in Tokyo when it was like 100 degrees and, you know, 90% humidity. Those days were rough. Like I said though, I was just surprised upon my return that it was done like that. Anyway, but this does look really nice over here, you know? People working on their lawns and everything else. This is a lovely, lovely neighborhood. And these guys got it kind of good because there's a lot across the street, so you never have to look at anybody. But be a friendly neighbor, okay? Huh. Pretty cool. I don't know the home prices, you know, but they do look nice. Maybe we'll turn down Sweeney. Should we? Should we? Should we? Should we? Should we? Should we? Yes, we should. Okay, we're gonna turn left on Sweeney. Go down here. See what's going on. We got the wind at, well, the sun at our backs. Huh. Now they have put in speed bumps here because, you know, people will drive too fast. And I guess this is a school. Over here. I guess Vegas, like any city, a basketball court. Take it to the hoop. I guess Vegas, like any city, will have these little pockets of, you know, nice areas that you can take a look see at, which are quiet, you know, no real issues, and just people just walking their dogs and just, you know, doing whatever. And we're going to turn right down 10th Street. Oh, but I hate going through the water. Crap. Okay. Now we're on 10th Street. This is nice too. You know? But yeah, my mom, she still stays in wherever she stays at, haha. And so, not the greatest city in the world, high crime, blah, blah, blah. But her street and the surrounding streets are pretty quiet. You get the occasional riffraff causing issues and so on. But generally speaking, you know, it's a nice, quiet area. So if you're looking to move to Las Vegas to purchase a home, and if whatever your finances are, whatever, blah blah blah, and depending on where you want to live at, I would look in this area because, as you can see, you know, it's quiet. I mean, even during regular non-wild days such as these, you know, it does seem to be quite the quiet place. You know? So I would recommend it highly. Thank you very much. Check out this old little sports car. Is that a Triumph? What is that? Or MG? Or a Fiat? Or Alfa Romeo? I don't know. What is this? This is a MG. All right. Let's see, where are we going to kick out at? Now, of course, not every house is perfect, as with anywhere, but, you know, generally speaking, this is a pretty nice area, you know? I think also during Halloween, this area, or a little bit way past it earlier, the police to come down and they do close off the streets so the kids can just roam around and just enjoy themselves. Whoa! And of course you got dogs, you know, behind some big giant fence barking at strangers, but hey, those things are gonna happen. He's too happy. You know? Is she really going out with him? Is she really gonna take him home tonight? Is she really going out with him? All right. I like this house too. All these house designs are nice. You know, I've always liked the ranch style homes myself. Always. Just crossing 10th and Bonita. For those who are checking the scoreboard, that was 10th and Bonita. Ah, it's in St. Louis. Hey. Meet me in St. Louis, Louis. Won't you come home, Bill Bailey? Won't you come home? Let me see. Do. I'll pay the rent. La da da da. And off in the distance, we can see the Strat. Not the Stratosphere, but the Strat. Branding, you know. Now we're gonna turn left pretty soon. Okay. Look backwards, no one's there. Stick out my arm to signal I'm turning left. Cross way over into the lane. And what street is this? Is it all the way through? It's maybe a dead end. A cul-de-sac, I think. So forget that. Back on the sidewalk. Santiago. Looks like another cul-de-sac. Looks like. I could be wrong though, but I don't want to go in and come out for the. I know it's hard to see with the sun in our faces, but I wanted to go this way. Whoa! Instead the other way. That guy just swerved. Let me see. I think we got a left turn coming up. Mesquite. Oh, the Mesquite Club. Whatever that is. Don't know. But in Vegas, it could be anything, right? Huh? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Huh? Huh? All right, sorry about that. Shadow Hills downtown. This is a church, I think? That's a church, yeah. This guy's walking his dog. Let me see. Won't you come home, Bill Bailey? Won't you come home? Excuse me, excuse me. Woo! All right. Okay, back on familiar territory. Straight ahead is the Eureka Casino, which is just past that light. I don't know if you can see it or not. Oh, I can hear a siren off in the distance. Oh man, you guys, excuse me. All right, you guys, I think that'll be just about do it for today. I am running out of gas, so to speak. Did not have enough beans. Haha, just kidding. All right, so as always, thank you for watching. I do appreciate folks watching. Hit that thumbs up if you want to, please. And hit like, it does help the channel out. And we're trying to get a little busier and so on and so on and so on. You know? Hey, there's the Eureka Casino. All right. Like I always say, see me outside, say hello back, take care wherever you are. And try to have a good day.
Wait.
Hear that?
Wait to cross Sahara and 6th.
We're on Sahara and 6th. Hey, how about that? All right, ja. Later.